How coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 plays a very crucial role in the electron transport chain, a metabolism pathway we learned in class, and how it helps suppress oxidative stress. So, let's go. So first, what is CoQ10? It is a lipid-soluble molecule that is basically essential for energy production. It lives on the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and it exists in two forms: ubiquinone, which is its oxidized form, and ubiquinol, which is its reduced form. It's basically responsible for transferring electrons in the electron transport chain from each complex, and this is a critical step in ATP production. It also has a secondary function as an antioxidant, which helps protect cells from oxidative stress. So, as I said earlier, CoQ10 is located on the inner mitochondrial membrane, and it helps shuttle electrons from complex 1, 2, and 3, basically driving ATP synthesis. So if CoQ10 levels are low, this process becomes insufficient, leading to decreased ATP production and therefore increased oxidative stress. So from the paper I read, they found that when CoQ levels are insufficient, oxidative stress increases due to excess reactive oxygen species, also known as ROS. So this study found that, you can see in the graph to the left, that oxidative stress markers like MDA and 4-HNE were significantly elevated under stress conditions, while antioxidant defenses, shown as GCH and catalase, were reduced. And also in this graph, it is shown that supplementing with CoQ10 reversed these effects, basically restoring mitochondrial function. So inflammation and oxidative stress are closely linked. I actually just learned about this. We were just learning about neurodegenerative diseases in my neurobiology of disease class, so I have a little bit of background on this. But basically, in this diagram, it also shows how CoQ10 supplementation reduces inflammatory cytokines. This basically means that CoQ10 can help prevent neuroinflammation and chronic diseases associated with such inflammatory cytokines, such as ALS, Parkinson's, and Huntington's disease. The paper also mentioned how CoQ10 also plays a role in neurotransmitter regulation, which I won't get into much, but basically it just helps serotonin pathway production. And so CoQ10 has a very broad therapeutic potential, which is why many people take it as a supplementation. It has been studied for neurodegenerative diseases, like I just mentioned, such as Parkinson's and Huntington's. It also has close links to cardiovascular health and mood disorders. And basically, short-term, people supplement it for energy metabolism, helps with energy deficiency if you're tired, and reduces overall oxidative stress. But long-term studies have shown it may slow neurodegenerative or degenerative disease progression. But of course, more clinical trials are needed to fully understand its long-term benefits. And this is my reference. Thank you.